Imagine a pool pump that's simple to program, easy to operate, and one size fits all. Seems hard to believe? Introducing the new innovative IntelliFlo pump from Pentair Water Pool & Spa. The IntelliFlo is a variable speed pump control system that offers advanced features never seen before. These include energy conservation, programmable water features, an integrated scheduler with time clock, digital programs, advanced flow control, and other features. This remarkable pump can adapt to any application, up to 130 gallons per minute. Simply program the IntelliFlo to suit the application and let the pump do the rest. The IntelliFlo then dials in the perfect operating conditions. The energy-efficient IntelliFlo can reduce energy costs up to 90% as it constantly monitors water flow and electrical current to ensure that the filtration system is operating at peak efficiency. This can result in a maximum energy efficiency savings never before possible. In addition to these incredible savings, the IntelliFlo protects itself against loss of prime or flow balance. The IntelliFlo also monitors and corrects low and high voltage situations, thermal overload, and freezing. And for installers, the IntelliFlo is a dream. The pump provides an automatic flow system that can size itself to any pool. Simply set the program to your pool size with a desired turnover for operating times and walk away. With the IntelliFlo, it's that easy. The IntelliFlo is compatible with most pool cleaning systems, filters, and jet action spas. Its heavy-duty, durable construction is designed for long-lasting life. The pump includes a built-in strainer pot and volute. The IntelliFlo also features a totally enclosed fan-cooled square flange motor for ultra energy efficiency. Operating the IntelliFlo is a snap with its backlit LCD control panel. Easy-to-read quick launch control buttons for pump modes include backwash and rinse, vacuuming, filtration, and manual mode. The backwash and rinse features tell the user when it's time to backwash the filter media. The vacuum mode helps the user to manually vacuum the pool by monitoring flow and time. The IntelliFlo can also control the pool heater or older automation systems through the IntelliCom Communication Center. This innovative system can even control the pump's flow rate and speed when your heater or external device switches on. Just connect the IntelliFlo to IntelliCom, and you can control any one of the pump's 4 programs. The IntelliCom provides 4 pairs of input terminal connections. These inputs are actuated by the external device using 15 to 240 VAC or 15 to 100 VDC. The filter mode optimizes pump filtration at the lowest power requirement and never uses more power than necessary to save money. The feature button provides 10 feature modes that can be programmed for flexibility. These features work like an irrigation timer, allowing the owner to build detailed schedules that will suit the most discerning pool owner. The manual control feature allows the user to override all programming and also provides a measuring gauge to view the pump's activity. We're sure you'll enjoy your IntelliFlo pump and pool for years to come. When it comes to swimming pool equipment and accessories, remember the world leader. Pentair Water Pool & Spa.